Hey everyone, I just got my latest order through from Awesome Merchandise for some stickers that I've just had printed. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to do a really quick video review, just something simple. So I'm going to start with one of the good things about them, and that is that the colours are very nice and strong. My lighting isn't ideal, but you can see that they have printed very colourful, very nice, very good quality. Even on this one, I always think that greens don't print too well, and this one in person is quite bright and strong. So the actual quality of the prints themselves, I would say, are very good. Not just the colours, but the line art. When you're up close, it can get a little bit fuzzy. So they're not pristine, but I don't know if any company is. So as far as stickers go, these are some of the sharpest so far. In terms of price, they're actually pretty good if you get one of the deals. The one that I've just ordered here was the £60 for 250 stickers. But you do pay an extra £5 with each design you add. So I ordered 7 on my last one, and I think it cost me about £90. It's not as cheap as some of the other sticker places, but it's worth pointing out that you can have up to 10 centimetres, as you can see there. 10 centimetres, about 4 inches for those of you who prefer the other measurement. But yeah, whereas someone like Stickermules and some of the other big companies do 3 inches, which is 7.5 centimetres. So you do get a good size sticker for that. Just showing you a close up here to show you the comparison of the print quality on these Awesome Merchandise stickers compared to somewhere like Stickermule. I'm not a huge fan of Stickermule's print quality on their matte stickers. Okay, so on to the cons. I'm not sure if you can see this, but the biggest con straight away is some of them do arrive a little bit damaged. This one, for example, it was unintentional to show this one, but depending on the lighting, you can see this crease here. It's quite a bad one, and it's even taken a little bit of the print off with it. Let's see if I can show that on camera. And I'm going to put some footage on screen now just to show you an example of some more that I've got. So this is my biggest issue with them. My last order before this, I had 500 stickers printed, and this time I've had 250. Last time they were not packaged very well, and I think they slid about in the box, 500 stickers, getting crushed or creased, and in some cases little tears. Now it wasn't every single sticker, but it was a lot of them. I think it was about, I don't know, I'd guess about 30% of them, maybe more. Which when it's a 500 sticker order, that's quite a lot of stickers to lose. Probably somewhere between like 150 to 200 of them were damaged. They were packaged a little bit better this time, but again, I've written it down, I think about 170 were good condition out of the 250. It's a lot to lose, and I was really gutted. You can see on camera that it's varying degrees. Some of them are only little creases, and maybe when they're stuck flat on something, that will sort of flatten out and it won't be visible. In which case, yeah, it's not a big issue. And to some people, it's not a big issue anyway. But for me, I do sell stickers, so I do need them to look good. I can't have massive bends and creases in them. So the first time this happened, I did tell them, and they did reprint some of them. It took quite a while because they wanted video proof and everything like this, but I understand that. This second time, I haven't complained to them because, to be honest, I don't want to be that customer that complains with every order. That being said, I am pretty gutted that so many have come damaged again. So my overall thoughts on them are, they're a really good company. I think the price is good. The quality is good. However, it's a real shame that about a third of them seem to come damaged every time. Unless I've just been really unlucky. I would love to hear your guys' experience in the comments below if you've ordered. But yeah, for me, that's the only thing that really lets them down. I find the price is good. The quality of the prints is good. The colours print very well. It's just the bends and creases that come in them. I haven't had that quite as bad with any other company. So yeah, it's a real shame because I do want to keep using them, but it does put me off a little bit, so I'm a little bit undecided. Anyway, I hope this video helps you out if you were looking at using them for sticker orders. I have used quite a few other companies, so if there is enough interest, I will make some comparison videos to compare them all. As always, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, everyone.